May sakit ka ba? May grasya din. Ako si Risa Singson Kaupeng. Magkapet, pandasal muna tayo. Nung minsan, may kamag-anak akong binisita sa ospital. It was heartbreaking to see her lying there, fighting for her life. Ito yung taong naging instrumento ng maraming mirakulo at nagdulot ng buhay at kagalingan sa napakaraming pamilya dahil sa kanyang trabaho. Pero ngayon, siya mismo ang nangangailangan ng maraming himala upang gumaling. Seeing her like this, I couldn't help but think about the indignity of sickness. Lahat talaga ng achievements natin, all our degrees, awards at talino ay walang sinabi when illness strikes. Kapag may malubhang sakit ka, you can't even do the most basic hygiene routines and have to depend on other people to do it for you. It defeats the mightiest of us and makes the richest man bow under its weight. Pero, nakakawalang dangal ba talaga ang malubhang sakit at paghihirap? Sabi ni Saint Vincent de Paul, if we only knew the precious treasure hidden in infirmities, we would receive them with the same joy with which we receive the greatest benefits, and we would bear them without ever complaining or showing signs of weariness. Kapag inalay natin ang ating sakit at paghihirap para sa iba, we fill up in our body what is lacking in the afflictions of Christ, ika nga ni St. Paul. Kaya kung dumadaan ka sa matinding pagsubok ng sakit, I pray for your healing. I also pray that as you go through this difficult time, you can offer your sufferings for others in desperate need of God's grace. Tayo magdasal. Lord, I pray for all those who are sick and suffering. Let not pain and disease defeat them. Rather, let this sickness purify them and bring grace to many. Amen.